students, I am Rajesh Bist, lecturer in English, GNC Alumni. Today, I am going to tell you about business letters. Business letters are usually addressed to those people we don't know them personally. These types of letters are generally written to commercial and business firms. तो जो बिजनेस लेटर्स होते हैं उन्हें हम कमर्शियल और बिजनेस फर्म्स के लिए ही प्रयोग में लाते हैं. Now I am going to tell you about features of a business letter. At the first, you will write sender's address. As I told you, in official letter, we will write sender's address at the top left hand corner. Similarly, in business letter, we also write sender's address at the top left hand corner of our copy. After writing sender's address, leave a space and then we will write date, either 07 May, 2020 or May 07, 2020. जो आपको suitable लगे. Then leave a space and receiver's address will come. Here remember one thing, if you are writing a letter to a firm, then we will write Messrs or MS. Okay? And then leave a space and our subject will come. After writing subject, once again leave a space and then we will write salutation. Once again, if you are writing a letter to a firm, then we will write dear sirs or sirs, and if we are writing a letter to an individual one, then we will write just dear sir or sir. Okay? Then the main body will come. This is the most important part of a letter. So mention specific business only. Your letter should be brief and to the point. Okay? It must give all the necessary information. And if anything enclosed like check or postal order, then mention it in the body of the letter. अगर आप लेटर के साथ कुछ चीज इनक्लोज कर रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल चेक और पोस्टल ऑर्डर, then you will mention it in your letter. Okay? और उसके बाद complimentary clause. As I told you earlier, in complimentary clause we will write thanking you and yours sincerely or yours faithfully. आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. And then signature block. Signature block में you will write your signature and your full name. और अगर आप किसी फर्म से लिख रहे हैं लेटर, तो आप पहले फॉर लगाएंगे और उसके बाद तब आप फर्म का नाम लिखेंगे और देन यू विल राइट सिग्नेचर. ओके, दीज आर सम इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स ऑफ अ बिजनेस लेटर. ओके, we will discuss about types of business letters. There are three types of business letters. The first one, letters of order. Second one, letters of inquiry. And the third one, letters of complaint. At first, we will see letters of order. A letter of order must specify the items. You should indicate the quantity, quality, color and size. Include the mode of payment, for example by cash or by check, and be clear about the mode of delivery. So these things will come in letters of order. ठीक है? और इसमें जो आपका क्वेश्चन या लेटर आती है वो आ सकती है कि राइट अ लेटर टू डॉट 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 फॉर प्लेसिंग एन ऑर्डर ऑफ सम स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल और प्लेसिंग एन ऑर्डर ऑफ सम बुक्स. The second one, letters of inquiry. A letter of inquiry must the kind of information you need and the reason why you are asking for it. And the second one, you should express your appreciation. Like I should appreciate an early reply. तो इस तरीके से आप अपना एक्सप्रेशन जो है वो लेटर्स ऑफ इंक्वायरी में लिख सकते हैं. और इसमें जो लेटर्स आती है वो आ सकती है कि आस्किंग द कोटेशन अबाउट some sports material or inquiry about some electrical equipments. ठीक है? And the third one is letters of complaint. Your complaint can be about the service and the product, and indicate your complaint clearly and logically. So in this type of letter, you should clearly indicate your complaint. Okay? और इसमें जो आपके क्वेश्चन या लेटर्स आती हैं, वो आ सकती हैं कि कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट डिफेक्टिव टीवी एंड रेक्टिफाई इट, और कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट डिफेक्टिव वॉशिंग मशीन. ठीक है? So these are 3 types of business letters. Friends, here is a question of letter of order. Write a letter to the manager, MS Gupta Sports Limited, Meerut, for placing an order of some sports materials. You are Kapil, MS Singh Sports, Almora. And here you can see I have underlined some words. If I ask you what will be the sender's address or receiver's address or subject, then you can easily tell me that we are writing a letter to the manager, MS Gupta Sports Limited. So this is receiver's address. And you are Kapil, MS Singh Sports Almora. So MS Singh Sports Almora is the sender's address. And the subject is sports materials. Okay? So we can easily identify sender's address, receiver's address or subject in our letter. Okay? So here is the answer. At first, you will write sender's address, and sender was MS Singh Sports Almora. Then leave a line and date will come. Once again, leave a line and then receiver's address. The receiver was the manager. So we will write the manager, MS Gupta Sports Limited, Meerut. Then leave a space and our subject will come. Subject is order of sports materials. Then once again leave a space and salutation is come. I told you earlier, if we are writing a letter to a person, then we will write dear sir. और अगर यहाँ पर मैनेजर नहीं होता और सीधे अगर हम लेटर लिखते MS Gupta Sports Limited को, then we write dear sirs. ठीक हो गया? अब यहाँ पर हम किसको लिख रहे हैं? मैनेजर को लिख रहे हैं. So we will write dear sir. Clear है ना? Now our main body will start with reference to your quotation dated 30th April 2020. Please send the following items as per your rates and quality by. So उसके लिए मैंने एक टेबल बनाई है. First one, serial number, the name of materials, price and quantity. Hockey sticks, price लिख दिए, quantity 10,000. Then cricket bat and volleyball. तो इस तरीके से आप एक टेबल बना लेंगे. और मैंने बताया था आपको कि बिजनेस लेटर में if you are writing a letter about an order of some equipments or materials, then we will enclose a check, demand draft और postal order, और उसको हम अपने लेटर में शो करेंगे. तो here it is, I am enclosing a SBI check number ... rupees ... dated 5th May 2020 for your kind consideration. Please send these items as soon as possible. Thanking you. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज आ गया. थैंकिंग यू, यूअर्स सिंसियरली या यूअर्स फेथफुली भी लिख सकते हैं. सिग्नेचर, यहाँ पर सिग्नेचर होंगे कपिल, सेंटर्स नेम यहाँ पर कपिल आया. ठीक है? तो इस तरीके से ये एक बिजनेस लेटर यहाँ पे हमने लिख दी है. एंड रिमेंबर वन थिंग आई टोल्ड यू इन मेन बॉडी दैट वी विल include just the important things, and our main body should be very brief and to the point. हमें केवल इधर उधर की बातें नहीं करनी है, अपनी बातों को हमने ब्रीफ करना है और केवल टू द पॉइंट यहाँ पे बात करनी है. ठीक है? एंड वी विल मस्ट गिव नेसेसरी डिटेल्स. तो आप देख रहे होंगे हमने टू द पॉइंट बात कर रखी है. जो चीज हमको जो मटेरियल्स की हमको आवश्यकता है वो हमने लिख दी यहाँ पर, और उसके बाद जो हमने उसमें इंक्लोजर लगाया है वो भी ट्रीट करने लगती है. ठीक है? सो दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस. हियर इज द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. यू आर दिनेश, 24, गांधी मार्ग, रानीखेत. You bought a washing machine from Ganesh Electronics, Ranikhet. it does not function properly. Write a letter to the sales manager of the shop and complaining about the defect. Here you can see I have underlined some words and you can easily identify sender's address, receiver's address or subject. So here 24 Gandhi Marg Ranikhet is the sender's address, receiver is the sales manager of the shop and shop is Ganesh Electronics Ranikhet. So the receiver address is the sales manager Ganesh Electronics Ranikhet and the subject is not functioning of washing machine. So this is the answer. At first we will write sender's address 24 Gandhi Marg Ranikhet, then date will come. After writing date we will write receiver's address, the sales manager Ganesh Electronics Ranikhet, and then subject will come and the subject is defect in washing machine. ठीक है? And then salutation. As I told you earlier, if you are writing a letter to an individual one, then we will write dear sir. ठीक है? और अगर हम डायरेक्ट किसी फर्म को लेटर लिखेंगे, मान लीजिए अगर आपको लिखना होता है गणेश इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स रानीखेत को लिखना होता है, मैसर्स गणेश इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स रानीखेत को, देन हम लिखते हैं डियर सर्स. बट हियर वी आर राइटिंग अ लेटर टू एन इंडिविजुअल वन, सो वी विल राइट डियर. I bought a Samsung washing machine from your shop by bill number dated, but just after a few weeks it started giving trouble. The washing machine is leaking water and its spin dry system is not working properly. Here you can see हमने दो प्रॉब्लम्स यहाँ पर दिखाई है. The first one is leaking water and the second one not functioning of spin dry system. ठीक है? Then as it is within a guarantee period of 2 years, so I request you to send your engineer for repair it, and if repairing is not possible, replace it immediately. आपको मालूम ही है कि जो भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं उसमें हमें वारंटी या गारंटी मिलती है, वो हमने यहाँ पे दिखाई है. ठीक है? And then complimentary clause thanking you, yours faithfully, and then signature and the name of the writer, and that is Dinesh. So this is a letter of complaint. ठीक है? So dear students, that is all for now. In my next video I will tell you about some other types of letters. So thank you once again. Thank you very much.